मैम, पिछले 7 साल में देश भर में 70 पेपर लीक हुए हैं, जिससे 2 करोड़ युवाओं की जिंदगी बर्बाद हुई है। नीट, नेट और अन्य ऐसे पेपर लीक से हमारे देश की परीक्षा कराने वाली संस्थानों की छवि पर गहरा धब्बा लगा है और जिसके कारण देश के युवा का इस सरकार के निष्पक्ष परीक्षा कराने की क्षमता से भरोसा उठ चुका है। इसी के संदर्भ में एनसीआरबी की जो स्टूडेंट सुसाइड रेट है वो 7.6 हो गई है, ऐसा 2022 की रिपोर्ट में बताया गया था। Ma'am, similarly, the situation is for the NET and DU LLB entrance examination. The abrupt cancellation and the mismanagement of the NTA is a crucial issue that the government needs to look into. Ma'am, I would also like to bring to your attention the discrimination against minorities in this budget allocation, especially in the case of closure of the Maulana Azad Foundation. Despite the Prime Minister's vision of minorities progressing with Quran in one hand and computer in the other, this undermines efforts to boost educational opportunities. What we also need in today's time is quality STEM education, as outlined by India's National Education Policy 2020, and it is crucial for fostering critical thinking and preparing our youth for 21st century challenges. But ma'am, only 18.4% schools have functional computer labs, and there's a significant gender gap in STEM enrollment, with only 28% of females compared to 36% males. While the government now promotes Digital India, it would do well to take a leaf from the Samajwadi Party's government under Akhilesh Yadav ji, which began distributing free laptops to class 12 students in 2012, effectively combating computer illiteracy and bridging digital divide in rural Uttar Pradesh. Educational Freedom Index में भारत की स्थिति काफी